Hello again. The aim of this final session in our stress management program is to identify and undermine the barriers to acting on our values. This lesson will try to demonstrate to you that willingness to experience unwanted psychological events is itself a value-based action that can help us to realize our other values. I want you to imagine that you are a soap bubble. Have you ever seen how a big soap bubble can touch smaller ones and the little ones are absorbed into the bigger one? Well, imagine that you are a soap bubble like that and that you are moving along a path that you have chosen. Suddenly another bubble appears in front of you and says, "Stop." You float there for a few moments, and when you move to get around that bubble, it moves just as quickly to block your path. Now you have two choices. You can stop moving in your valued direction, or you can touch the other soap bubble and continue on with it inside you. This second move is what we call willingness. Willingness is an action that answers the question the barrier asks. Do you accept me or not? In order for you to take a valued direction and stick to it, you must answer yes. But only you can choose that answer. In the previous section, you listed the barriers to your valued directions. As you will have noticed, some barriers are internal, such as thoughts, feelings, and memories, while others are external events that evoke unwanted experiences. For example, anxiety because your boss expressed disappointment. You may also have noticed how one barrier to a valued action might be another conflicting value. For example, it may not be possible for a person both to value producing consistently innovative work and maintaining a loving relationship. Regardless of what form the barriers to valued action take, the key question remains, are you willing to take valued action and to experience the unwanted internal events that will inevitably arise? The goals, actions, and barriers form below allows you to systematically catalog your barriers, as well as to identify strategies for overcoming them in the pursuit of your valued life goals. This form is your homework for the final session. However, I will also ask you to tell someone you are close to one of your valued directions and an action you will take to move towards it. If you find you are not willing to do that, at least state one to yourself in the mirror. I would also like you to publicly commit to letting go of the needless struggles that are interfering with moving towards this value. But I only want you to make such a commitment if you are really prepared to give up this struggle. Finally, I will also ask you to practice a mindfulness exercise 3 times a week and to keep your values assessment rating form and your goals, actions, and barriers form updated. Thank you for participating in this program. I hope you found it helpful and can use the skills you learned to manage any stressful experiences in your life. Please continue to complete the end of program questionnaire so that we can evaluate the effectiveness of the intervention. Thank you and good luck.